Welcome to our latest inspiration for living room curtain designs. In this quick 1-minute video, we'll take you on a visual journey through a collection of stunning curtain ideas to elevate your living space. From elegant drapes that add a touch of luxury to playful patterns that infuse vibrancy, we've curated a variety of styles to suit every taste. Whether you're aiming for a cozy ambience or a modern flair, these curtain designs offer the perfect finishing touch. Sit back, relax, and let us guide you through a world of creativity and comfort. Get ready to transform your living room with these captivating curtain ideas.